when
That's some
people
Gestapo
are
stuff when you
out,
stop for everybody
walking
holding a can anywhere.
No, not everybody holding a can anywhere.
Just me?
No, just people that we feel might be drinking in public. So we're checking to make sure you're
Do you suspect
okay.
I might be drinking in public?
We have no idea.
We don't know what the.
That's
So
why
you
we're
do not
asking.
suspect that I might be drinking
Can
in
you just show
public?
us what kind
We
of
have
evidence
what is
you
called
have on
a
our way?
Do you
reasonable
suspect?
suspicion.
That's what I'm asking. Do you suspect? You said
We have
no.
what's called a reasonable suspicion.
Do you have a reasonable suspicion?
Yeah, we do.
What
We're
is
holding
that?
a can.
I'm holding.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for daily eye-opening breakdowns that help you understand your rights and the law like never before. Now buckle up, because tonight's encounter turns tense fast. Two officers approach a citizen holding a simple can, and what starts as a routine check instantly spirals into a debate about reasonable suspicion, personal boundaries, and the limits of police authority. Watch closely. The smallest detail in this scene shifts the entire power dynamic. Let's get into it.
Hey gentlemen, how you doing tonight?
Great.
What you got there, man?
What do you mean?
What kind of beverage is that?
What
Looks
does
like
it
a
matter?
Pepsi.
Stay your distance, please.
Stay our distance.
Yeah, I don't want two guys with guns coming up on me.
Oh, we're police officers. Maybe you
I
didn't
don't
notice.
care whether you're police officers or the mafia.
The mafia?
Yeah, you guys are rolling around and crubbing up on me with guns. Back up. Yeah.
We're police officers. We're here to serve and protect, sir.
I just wanted to inquire
You're
what
trying
that
to-
was, because there's a lot of students here drinking, so
I
we
don't-
just want to make sure that
No
you know,
inquiry
We're just-
needed.
So, yeah, well, our job is to make sure the community's safe. When
That's some
people
Gestapo
are
stuff when you
out,
stop for everybody
walking
holding a can anywhere.
No, not everybody holding a can anywhere.
Just me?
No, just people that we feel might be drinking in public. So we're
Do
checking to
you
make sure you're
suspect
okay.
I might be drinking in public?
We have no idea.
we don't know what the.
That's
So
why
you
we're
do not
asking.
suspect that I might be drinking
Can
in
you just
public?
show us what kind
We
of
have
evidence?
what is
This is where everything changes. The officer is clearly fishing, trying to turn a completely harmless can into a justification for an investigation. Notice how the citizen immediately brings up reasonable suspicion, which is the legal threshold officers must meet before detaining or probing further. And he's right. Simply holding a can is not reasonable suspicion of a crime in most jurisdictions. What would you do here? Would you show the can to avoid conflict, or stand your ground and protect your rights like this citizen?
called
On
a
our way.
Do you
reasonable
suspect?
suspicion.
That's what I'm asking. Do you suspect? You said
We have
no.
what's called a reasonable suspicion.
Do you have a reasonable suspicion?
Yeah, we do.
What
We're
is
holding
that?
A can.
I'm holding
so
a
we're stopped
can.
to investigate.
That's your reasonable
That's not
suspicion?
reasonable suspicion for drinking.
Holding a can
alcohol.
is a reasonable suspicion.
Yeah.
So anybody holding a can is under
Under
reasonable
suspicion.
Well,
suspicion.
typically we like to see the can. Usually we can see if it's an actual soft drink or if
This
it's
may
an
not be
alcoholic
typical.
beverage.
Do I look imbibe on beverages in public, Officer Scott?
I don't know.
May I have your card, please?
You'd have to come get it. You don't want me to get close to you. Do
Will you
want me to get
please
close
hand
enough?
me your card? I'm requesting it.
Let me see if I can
Clearly.
do this from a distance.
Do I need
Hang
to
on.
articulate?
Is this close? You want me to set it down and then you can grab it? Would that be better so I don't get too close?
Officer Avila,
Yeah.
may I have your card, please? Excellent. Officer Avila has no problem being professional with a business card.
You did get too
Anything
close
else
to
that you
though.
gentlemen need besides Gestapo stops for cans? Yeah, it's Gestapo when you're going to stop me for a can on the sidewalk. That's
Actually,
sick.
you were standing here. We didn't stop you. We just came up to talk to you.
Oh, okay, later.
See you. Have a good night. Take care.
Yeah.
Good talking to you.
This entire encounter is a perfect example of why understanding your rights matters. The officers attempted to justify questioning based purely on the presence of a can, but without actual signs of intoxication or disorderly behavior. That falls short of reasonable suspicion under most interpretations of stop and identify laws. The citizen remained firm, calm and legally precise, which prevented the situation from escalating. Always remember, you have the right to remain silent, the right to refuse consent to a search, and the right to ask whether you're free to go. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping Cop Cam TV breakdowns.